How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. As you can see, it seems like the camera is glitching. So when I move my hand away from it, it's like one focus, one effect. And when I go ahead and put my hand on it, it flicks, it maybe changes focus a little bit. It's weird. You can definitely notice it just ruins the experience. Sometimes when you're taking a photo or recording a video, you always see this weird glitch. Well, let me teach you how to fix that. Okay, so all you have to do is open up your settings, scroll a bit down until you see camera, and then scroll a little bit further down until you see macro control. That's it. Because guys, this is not a glitch. This is actually a feature. What we're seeing with the camera, this switch, this change, is actually the iPhone changing the camera from the main camera to the ultra wide so it can actually give you macro photography. I'm gonna show you right now. So if you actually wanna get rid of that, make sure that macro control is enabled, as you can see right here. And then when you are about to take a photo, so let me give you the very same example. You are about to take a photo and you have a close-up object. You're gonna see this little flower. That's macro photography. So all you have to do is disable it, as you can see, and then it won't change anymore. It won't have that effect anymore. All you're seeing right here is just your normal focus. So it's focusing on the watch and then focusing on my hand, but you don't see that switch, that glitch, that change in light and angle. You don't see any of that because the cameras are not switching from one to the other. Okay, so as long as you have the little flower disabled, that's it, you don't have that anymore. And same goes for video. If you go to video, the little flower will be cut as well, so you won't have that anymore. But keep something in mind. When you have macro photography disabled, your focal length, so the distance where an object is in focus, will be way cut. So as you can see, the tip of my fingers are not in focus, but if I enable the feature, now the tip of my fingers are completely in focus. So macro photography will enable you to actually have that very, very close-up focus, but at the same time, it'll give you the glitch that we are talking about, all right? So you have the opportunity to choose what you want. Generally, I have this disabled, and when I want to take a super close-up shot, I enable it and then disable it once again. So that's literally it. That's how you fix this issue. Now you understand what it is, and now you know. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye-bye.